Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing. We're going to be opening up these Nintendo Wonder Balls by Frankford. And inside these Wonder Balls are coins. We'll get a better look at those in a minute. I'm here with my wife Lisa so she can hold the camera for me. Hi, Lee.
Hi.
And I just want to see what they are. Alright, I'm going to go from the bottom because that's where the coin is. On top is a chocolate ball with candy inside. So now the other two I'll open from the bottom and do this one too. And the coin for this one is Mario. And it comes with stickers also. Oh, not Mario, Luigi. And comes with stickers. Look, prize below, that's where the coin is underneath. And here's the stickers. I've never seen those stickers yet. First time. We have a couple of dirt bikes riding by, nice and loud. Alright, box number 2, we're going to do a total of 3 boxes. Collect all 18 coins. Haven't seen that one yet. Whoa, I thought I pulled it out. It's the first time seeing this one too. Lisa, do you know what that character is? She's wearing a crown.
Princess.
I was going to say she was wearing a crown. Okay, let's see what the stickers are. Oh, new one. Cool. Last one. Oh, look. Green apple, mango. So inside the chocolates are different candies. I've seen the green. Kids open up the chocolates. I don't eat the chocolates. Those are what's inside those balls. And is that the one I just said I never seen?
It looks like there's 2 princesses.
Yes, it is the one.
So she's
Cool.
different.
And for the stickers in this one, hopefully we got some new stickers too. Nice. I do already have that one over there. Let's get a good look here. And I'm going to pass this camera back to you, Lisa, because I'm going to open up one of the coins. I have doubles on that one right there, so I'd like to see the other side of the coin. All come with stickers. Now let's get one of these coins open. Ooh, there's some we don't have. Look at that. All ones I don't have. I have that one, that's it. Oh wow, look at them all. There was only one box at Family Dollar. And of course I bought whatever I could. And here's your coin. Frankford candy. Super Mario. So they all must say Super Mario on them because that's the game. In this case it's Luigi. Thanks so much for tuning in to Timmy's 10 again. Lisa, thank you for holding the camera. And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.
Bye.